How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now, at the top, you're going to find this search icon. Click on it. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the place name from where you want to add the friends. After you type in the place name, different options will appear. Navigate to the places section and then click on the place option from where you want to add the friends. With that, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to find different snaps from that place. Now open any of the snap. At the bottom left, you're going to find the username of the person. You just can click on that username and then add the person. Right now, I'm going to add this person. So this way you can easily find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. By following the same steps, you are able to search for any of the place and add the friends from that place. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.